Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here I'm your teacher, I'm your anchor, and I can assure you, if you just see my each and every video, then of course you're gonna a very fluent and very good English speaker. Look, English is just like a Hindi, is just a super cool language, supernatural, and of course you have to adopt it and you have to speak it, otherwise you really have no option. Okay, so I'm telling you, just watch every day. I know many more content creators who are teaching to and who wants to improve your skill. So just like I am. So, but here you can see the difference that my whole content in English. Okay, so you're gonna be grow fast. You're gonna be improve fast. Okay, it will very help you. So yes, so okay, we are just making sentence. If you have just seen my previous video, then I have talked about each and every topics. Okay, so now we are making a sentence, like and I wash. So yes, it's a really very big disease. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, most biggest disease in the whole world is that an eye wash is just a show off. It's about you want to look like that you are a rich person, but actually you are not. You are a very strong and very intelligent person, but reality check, you are not. And all things which you really want to prove yourself that you are a genius, you are a mega star, you are a superstar, you are a star. No, you are not. Step out this illusion as much as soon as possible. Okay, otherwise you will get many you will get a big harm for you, and I'm telling you why. First, it will you will always gonna lose your money just because you have to show off to the world. Okay, I mean, what is the show off? I'm telling you what is the show off. I think which is not exactly in reality. This is the show off. I mean, and you think, and you will become, and you will live in a illusionary world. You will get a delusion. Of course, so that's why I'm telling you, always never ever lie to yourself. Okay, so why you have to show off that you have this kind of phone, you have this kind of luxury, you have this kind of bike, you have this car, you have this laptop. Why it's not necessary. Okay, so why, and so it's not necessary, so why you have to show your look. Ratan Tata is the one of the most biggest icon I think I can see. Mr. Sunny Deol, he is my favorite. My all-time favorite icon is Sunny Deol. Yes, I'm telling you, my all-time favorite icon is Sunny Deol. So, and I'm a huge, and I really want to become like this. I am exactly want to become like a Sunny Deol, because the man, the aura, I mean, the legacy he left. I mean, speechless. Really speechless. I mean, there are three generations that man inspire. You will believe? Would you believe it? There are three generations. Mr. Sunny Deol inspire three generations. Okay, so it's a really a great biggest thing. I mean, I don't consider all the love story that where hero on the rock, hero on the mountain, and heroine calling them and their loves. I mean, these all are just bullshit. These all are the bullshit story. I mean, I won't even take to name. I won't even take a name. Okay, because I really hate this garbage, this kind of garbage. But yes, I really admire that everyone should follow Mr. Sunny Deol. I mean, now he is 17, and what kind of energy he has. I mean, we are 30. Okay, we are 30 and he is 70. So, see the huge difference. So, always be a real hero. Don't be a fake hero. Eh? You are a hero. You are a hero. Inside you have a hero. So, always be a hero. Never ever do that. And I wash. A hair breathe escape. A hair breathe escape. So I mean it. You will consider. You can say that you just you can say that their kind of accident and you escape. So and you will not get a harm. Okay, and so it's we I mean just like that. And a hair breathe escape. You just escape. Okay, an old frame. So yes, yes, we can consider that the old love, old school love, old college love, and so there are. Look, I have a good friend circle, so I won't say it. Okay, I won't say it because I don't think so. I need it. Okay, but here I can see that an old frame, just like the old love story, girl, what we seen in our childhood, and like just, it's like just first crush. I mean, what your first crush? I think I know my first crush was Aishwarya Rai when I was child. So I know my first crush was Aishwarya Rai, Karishma Kapoor. These are my first crush. I'm telling you, Aishwarya Rai and Karishma Kapoor is my first crush. Okay. An old head on young shoulder. So yes, this is you have to be. If you want to be a hero, you really should have to be an old head on young shoulder. You really have to become exactly like this, an old head on young shoulder. As fit as a fiddle. Just clean your body, always do exercise, always eat healthy, live healthy. Look, life is a precious gift, okay? So you always should respect to the life, okay? Otherwise, you will not survive to this world. I'm telling you, you will not survive this world. You always have to fit. You always have to carry yourself. You always you always look. It's the whole mantra of everyone should follow life. Look, I know the most of the people. Do you know? I mean, what is the psychology of a sick people? I'm telling you. I'm telling you the psychology of. I have seen a lot of think this in sick people. They want to gain a sympathy. Yes, I'm telling you, they want to gain a sympathy. They want to give attention. They want to. They want that every relatives. I mean, these are toxic relatives, which you call them relatives. These relatives gonna gonna care you. These toxic relatives gonna understand your thinking. Understand. I am truly something. Now I'm 30, and I'm making my content creation, but I never ever take any kind of help of my any toxic relatives, and I know because they have only one thing, just back bitching. You know what ladies do it? Just back bitching. Yes, exactly. They do all the things. Okay, so never ever take them seriously. Just always do your work. Always do live in your focus. You don't, you look, you don't have to prove anything in this world. Look, no one is important, guys. No one important. You are the only creator of your life, okay? So never ever try to impress anyone, and never ever try to prove yourself anyone. It's a really, it's a very short life. I mean, it's a very little life. So why you have to show other self that you are some kind of a very great human being? Look, always be polite, be humble, be super cool, okay? Never ever to prove yourself to other. Just always truth about yourself, okay? This is how you're gonna be a, this is how can you build your dream. This is how you're gonna fulfill your life. What is the life? You have 1,000 of ambitions and you want to fulfill it. This is the exactly you want. This is the exactly you want. You want to fulfill your all the dreams, all the, you want to see miracle and charisma in your life. This is the exactly thing you want to. I know. So yes. So first of all, I'm telling you, if you are just learning my channel, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And thank you very much. And I will meet you next day. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cho, Majama. Okay.